This video will explain the setup of tender types on your system. Go to Menu, Setup and click on Tender Types. This will bring up a list of existing tender types. On this page, you cannot adjust tender types if you have any open batches on your till points. Once your batches are closed, you can edit or delete from this page. To create a new tender type, click New. Fill out the text boxes to create your tender type. The display order is where this particular tender type will show within the list at the end of this process. You can block customer reward schemes by clicking this box. If you are paying through a card tender type, ticking Prevent Cashier Over-Tendering will prevent the cashier from taking more than the overall value of the transaction. Click Update on completion. This is now revealed in the list.